para i-scam yung mga tao gamit yung account mo. And next naman po is, in case you deliberately want to misbehave, stop thinking of the following: exploiting office or employer system, devices, and facilities. Dapat po may authorization po muna tayo bago tayo gumamit ng office equipment or system or software devices sa companies para po baka mamaya may important files po sila doon tapos nawala po na-erase natin or yung parang na-delete natin. Dapat po tayo lang din po yung malalagot. Kaya dapat po mag-iingat po tayo. And next naman po is using BCC inappropriately their email transaction, reproducing confidential data or other people and sharing it with others without their notice. Tignan po natin maigi yung mga na-isisend nating information sa tao. Dapat po pag walang authorization, huwag po natin isisend agad kasi baka mamaya po ang ma-isend po natin is yung personal information po natin tapos magagamit po ng mga scammer. And next naman po is leaving offensive, insensitive, inslanderous comment on someone else, post only to defame them, and huwag po tayo gagawa ng false statement about other person po to send it in another person. Kasi po mali po yun, parang sinisiraan po natin yung isang tao. Tapos baka mapahamak din po yung company natin. Dapat wag po natin gagawin yun kasi mali po yun. And next po is hacking other devices by installing malware to others. Huwag po tayong basta-basta nagkiklik ng mga link sa computer. Dapat po tignan po natin muna yung ikiklik po muna natin. Baka mamaya po is pag click po natin yun is mabablock yung yung device natin or mahahack. Tapos mawawala po yung mga important files. Dapat po maging mapanuring po tayo palagi sa paggamit ng computer. And that's all. Thank you for listening.
I'm Kyla Jane Hunyo, and I am your student teacher for today. It's all about cybercrime technology, and this is the continuation of report ni Miss Angel May Paraan. Number 4, who wants to read? Okay, Miss Basa. Okay. To protect your privacy or personal cyberspace, it's important to take measures that safeguard your personal information and online. Okay, first bullet. Who wants to read? Okay, Miss Irene, please read. Okay, thank you. Use VPN or virtual private network na magpo-provide ng private connections. Second bullet, please read, Mr. Rambel. Okay, thank you. I-on ang private browsing mode in your phone so that Safari or any other browser will not record the pages or visited or your search history. Bullet, and choose the secret conversation in Messenger or direct message in Instagram. Bullet, customize or limitahan yung mga audience mo sa mga post mo sa Facebook, sa Instagram, or YouTube, or Messenger story. Okay, ma'am? Okay, thank you. Make your account private para kailangan nila ng confirmation mo bago makita ang iyong mga private post or profile ng iyong Facebook account. Turn off your GPS location services. Help protect your privacy and save battery life by preventing apps from tracking your movements and collecting data. And next bullet, be careful when using tags on social media and consider hiding your connections. And next bullet, hide your link to protect your information. Be aware you may be watched, but Don't let fear take over dahil may batas na naghahatol ng pananagutan, both organization and individuals accountable, so keep your trust in authority on problems of internet. First, ma'am? Okay, thank you. Ang mabagal na pag-vote of pop-up ng ads PC ay maaring sinyalis ng malware. Gumamit ng anti-spyware software upang ayusin ito. You can use anti-spyware options include Microsoft, Windows and Defender, Ackware, and Spyboat. Search and destroy. Just download, install, and run them to see it eliminate malware. Please read. Okay, thank you. And don't forget, update regularly.
Hi everyone, my topic is a resource guide to rating across disciplines. So to get access with received files in Google Drive, you need to get permission first from the sender through the same email he sent and wait for his approval. So yes, for example, lahat naman tayo need ng approval. For example, ikaw, magsisend ka ng, for example, hihiram ako ng notes sa'yo. Then, need ko muna ng approval at permission. Need ko muna ng permission bago mo i-approve na ipahiram sa akin yung notes. Then, the next one is, forgot password. Do not choose a password that is a common English word or your full name, which is easy for someone to guess. So, yes, kung magpo-forget ka ng password kasi need mo, huwag kang gagamit ng mga name or na alam nilang ma-detect. Kailangan lang gamitin mo dito is yung number na ikaw na nakam. Yung kailangan easy lang na password para hindi nila ito ma-detect. Like naman tayo, diba, pag nagpa-password tayo, kailangan 4 digit lang. So, hindi nila nalaman kung ano yun. So, ganun dapat ang gawin nating password. And next is, people know everything about you. To protect your computer from spyware, use VPN apps to secure connections, keep a clear history of internet activities, avoid linking accounts to others, and be cautious about sharing personal information online. Avoid using public devices such as computer shop, and avoid ordering from others. So this is here. So dito naman po, kung ayaw mong malaman at kung ayaw mong malaman nila about sa'yo, kailangan mong i-private lahat ng social media mo. Wag kang magpapublic, wag kang magpo-post about you, about anything else, about sa family mo, wag kang magpo-post kung ayaw mong malaman ng ibang tao about sa'yo, mga details nila sa'yo. And the last one is unlimited exposure to PC, tablet, and smartphone, aka if you are a parent and you seem to see your kids and spouse being stuck on their electronic devices, you may want to alleviate their addiction to them. Or if you are an employee or student and you cannot help yourself from using your smartphones at work and in school, you need more internal government and self-discipline in this aspect. So, me as a parent, yes, madali lang para sa akin i-avoid ng mga gadgets sa mga children ko. Like, gagawa ko ng paraan para ma-catch yung attention nila sa akin. For example, magluluto ako ng favorite nilang food. And magluluto ako ng merinda. And gagawa kami ng mga pwedeng gawin. And maglalaro kami, gagawa kami ng bahay para maiwasan nilang kakagamit nila sa gadgets. So, that's all my report. Thank you.